Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It seems like almost every week you hear about a new hotel coming to Jamaica, and more specifically to Montego Bay. Now, it was announced recently that AC Hotel is going to be opening up a 168 room hotel in Montego Bay. Now, the largest hotel chain in the world is Marriott, and AC is one of the brands operated by Marriott. And the they have AC Hotel has a branch or a location in Kingston, and they plan to expand with a second location in Montego Bay. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, just the other day, they started construction of the Unico Hotel, then you have Hard Rock Hotel coming to Montego Bay. You have almost every major hotel chain in the world has a location in Montego Bay. And that speaks volumes for the Montego Bay area. In a significant development for Jamaica's hospitality sector, Adam Stewart, executive chairman of Sandals Resorts International, has announced a major franchise partnership with AC Marriott to bring a new AC hotel to Montego Bay, St. James. The 168-room property, which will rise on the site of the former Sandals, Carlisle on Kent Avenue, marks a bold new direction for Stewart's portfolio and for the city's evolving tourism landscape. As Montego Bay continues its push towards modernization and diversification, this hotel is set to play a pivotal role in the revitalization of the once thriving Hip Strip. The upcoming AC Hotel will be the second of its kind under Stewart's leadership, but stands out as the first European planned hotel in Montego Bay, a strategic shift from the traditional all-inclusive model long associated with the Jamaican tourism sector. The EP format offers accommodation without bundled meals, granting guests the freedom to explore dining and entertainment options beyond the property itself. This model is a deliberate effort by Stewart to integrate the hotel more closely with local businesses, fostering symbolic relationships that could drive renewed economic energy along the Hip Strip. Strategically located just 4 minutes from Sangster International Airport, the hotel will offer a suite of modern amenities designed to appeal to both business and leisure travelers. These include structured parking, a conference facility capable of hosting up to 200 people, and dedicated airport shuttles. The design also promises to reflect the distinct aesthetic and vibrancy of Montego Bay, with standout features such as a double vaulted lobby and a sky deck and bar overlooking what Stewart describes as the prettiest water ever in Montego Bay. Economically, the project is expected to generate approximately 400 jobs during both the construction and operational phases, providing a welcome boost to the local workforce. The demolition of the existing Sandals Carlisle is scheduled to begin later this year, with full-scale construction projected to start by the end of 2025. The hotel is slated to open in the summer of 2027. This will be the world's best AC, Stewart stated, underscoring his comment to excellence and innovation in the Caribbean hospitality sector. His vision for a hotel that embodies the spirit of Montego Bay while elevating the guest experience signals not just a new property, but a new chapter in Jamaica's tourism narrative. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.